Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start website optimization with Wix, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start website optimization with Wix, first, log in to your Wix account. Select the site you want to optimize from your dashboard. Click on the Edit Site button to open the Wix editor. Begin by reviewing the overall site layout and design for user friendliness. Check the loading speed of your site using tools like Google PageSpeed Insights. Identify areas that may slow down your site, such as large images or excessive animations. Next, optimize your images by compressing them without losing quality. Use the Media section in the Wix editor to replace any oversized images. Adjust your text size and styling for clear readability across different devices. For better SEO, focus on using keywords relevant to your content. In the Wix editor, access the page settings to customize title tags and meta descriptions. Ensure each page has a unique title that reflects its content accurately. Add alt text to all images to improve search engine visibility. Next, create internal links between related pages to enhance site navigation. Consider implementing Wix's SEO tools available in the dashboard. Use the SEO wizard to set up your site's SEO foundation easily. Make sure to connect your site to Google Search Console for tracking performance. After adjustments, preview your site on both desktop and mobile views. Finally, publish your updates and continue monitoring your site's performance regularly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.